I request RTR Rotractor Vijay Ram Praveen, President of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, to call to order the meeting.
Hereby, our valediction ceremony of Athena 2K21 is called to order. Thank you,
Vijay.
Sometimes all it takes is one prayer to change everything. Now, I request Rotractor Preeti, Vice President of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, to say the Rotract prayer.
Let us all raise up for the prayer. O God, our Almighty Father and ruler of the universe, we thank Thee for the inspiration You have given us for the Rotract movement based upon service to mankind. We humbly beg You to continue Thy grace to enable us to do our service to ourselves and to our neighbors and to the honor and glory of Thy holy name. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti.
Now let's kindly take a look at the agenda of this evening. Welcome address by Rotractor Vijay Ram Praveen, President of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, handing over the proceedings to Event Chairman. Address by Rotractor Balasurya, Event Chairman of Athena 2K21. Introduction of Chief Guest Mr. E. Prashant Sir, IFS Government Official, Wildlife Warden, Chennai. Address by the Chief Guest Mr. E. Prashant Sir. Special performance addressed by Rotract Past President Kirti Vivekanna, District Rotract Representative, RA District 201. Addressed by Dr. Rajeshwari Ma'am, Principal in Charge, Coimbatore Institute of Technology. Addressed by Dr. Rotract Past President Kishore Babu Anna, District Rotract Representative Elect, RA District 3201. Addressed by Dr. Rotract Past President Mohammad Afsar Anna, Group Rotract Representative, RA District 3201. Addressed by Dr. Rotract Immediate Past President Induja Akka, Group Rotract Secretary, RA District 3201. Announcement of winners, general felicitation, pleasantry for chief guest and special invitees, handing over the proceedings from the event chairman to president, vote of thanks by Rotractor Gausikan, Secretary of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, adjournment by Rotractor Vijay Ram Praveen, President of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology.
A small cheer and a great welcome makes a merry feast. First, I request Rotractor Vijay Ramu Praveen, President of Rotract Club of CIT, to deliver the welcome address.
A warm good evening to all present here. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all for our valediction ceremony of our flagship event Athena 2K21. Firstly, I would like to begin with a special welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Prashant Sir, IFS Officer and Wildlife Warden at Chennai. I would like to extend my hearty welcome to the guest of honors, Rotarian Dr. P.R. Muthuswamy Sir, President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore, and Dr. A. Rajeshwari Ma'am, Principal in Charge, Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and Rotractor Past President Kirti Vivekanna, District Rotract Representative, RA District 3201, and our beloved special invitees, Rotractor Past President Mohammad Afsar Anna, Group Rotract Representative, and Rotractor IPP Induja Akka, Group Rotractor Secretary, and Rotractor Past President Kishore Babu Anna, Group Rotract Representative Elect. And also, I would like to extend my warm welcome to the Dr. S. Shanmugam Sir, Dean Student Affairs at Coimbatore Institute of Technology, Dr. S. R. Sambat Sir, Dean Extracurricular Activities, and our staff advisors, Dr. D. Prabhakaran Sir and Ms. Gauri Priya Ma'am. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome our beloved Rakshi ET family. A smile is a universal welcome. So once again, welcome you all with the biggest smile. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay.
Next, I request Rotractor Vijay Ram Praveen, President of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, to hand over the proceedings to Rotractor Balasurya, Event Chairman of Athena 2K21.
Hereby hand over the proceedings to Rotractor Balasurya, Event Chairman of Athena 2K21.
Thank you, Vijay.
Next, I would like to invite Rotractor Balasurya, Event Chairman of Athena 2K21, to address the gathering.
Am I audible, Anu?
Yes, Bala, you are audible.
Thank you, Anu. True happiness is that which comes from complete satisfaction. A hearty welcome to one and all gathered here. This is Rotractor Balasurya, event chairman of Athena. I feel so happy in welcoming you all for this wonderful occasion. First of all, I'd like to welcome the chief guest of the session, Mr. E. Prashant, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation and making your valuable presence here, sir. Next, I would like to welcome the guests of honor, Dr. A. Rajeshwari ma'am, Principal in Charge, Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and Rotractor Past President Kirti Vivek Anna, District Rotract Representative, RA District 3201. Next, I would like to welcome Rotractor Past President Kishore Babu Anna, District Rotract Representative Elect, RE District 3201, and Rotractor Past President Mohammed Afsar Anna, Group Rotract Representative, Group 3, RE District 3201, and Rotractor Immediate Past President Induja Akka, Group Rotract Secretary, Group 3, RA District 3201. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. S. Shanmugam sir, Dean, Student Affairs, Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and Dr. R. Sambat sir, Dean, EC and ICA, Coimbatore Institute of Technology. Next, I would like to welcome the staff advisors of our club, Dr. D. Prabhakaran sir and Mrs. Gauri Priya ma'am. I'd like to welcome all the Rotarians present here to enlighten the ceremony. Followed by, I'd like to welcome all the great supporters of us, our beloved senior brothers and sisters of Gang 44 and Gang 45 of Track CIT. Along with this, I would like to welcome all our dear fellow Rotractors of Gang 46 and Athena team. I welcome you all and owe my sincere thanks for always being a great support for us. Coming into Athena, initiated in the year 2012, originally this was organized as a quiz competition for schools. In the later years, it was extended with various events witnessing enormous growth. As we all know, Athena is one of the flagship events of Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, conducted especially for school students. It provides a suitable platform for the students to enhance their multifaceted abilities. This remarkable event is conducted in 3 categories: primary, grade 1 to 5, secondary, grade 6 to 8, and higher secondary, grade 9 to 12. Various innovative events like speech, quiz, etc. will be conducted to showcase their skills in countless domains. Recognition will be awarded for the winners and also for the active participants. Athena carries the legacy of a club, and it is an identity for Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology. At this moment, I feel so honored and proud in being part of Athena. At this time, I feel so happy and super excited in announcing the count we received this time. We have received about 4,000 plus registrations and 2,500 plus responses this time. Many schools from various districts participated actively this time. We owe a sincere thanks to each and everyone who helped us in reaching this count. Thank you so much, everyone. Once again, with a bigger smile and happy face, I welcome you all for the valediction ceremony of Athena 2K21. I hope you all enjoy and cherish these moments. Thank you. Over to MC.
Thank you, Balasurya.
It is my immense pleasure in welcoming the chief guest of today's session, Mr. Prashant Ishwaran IFS. He has secured All India rank of 16, Tamil Nadu rank, second rank in Indian Forest Service examination. Currently, he is the Assistant Conservator of Forests, Annamalai Tiger Reserve, Pollachi. It's a privilege that you are there with us during this special occasion. I would like to hand over the session to our chief guest, Mr. E. Prashant sir, IFS Government Official, Wildlife Warden, Chennai.
Yeah, hi all. Very good evening to the Rotract family. So I feel it's like homecoming back to me, because I myself was a Rotractor when I was in my college days. I was part of Rotract Club of College of Engineering, Guindy, and which was a part of Madras RI 3230 Madras South District. So it is always happy to be back to the Rotract family. So happy to see the ceremony today with so many young, energetic Rotractors joining in this great evening. So I think this is the start of your wonderful journey in this year. So every year, this kind of introduction or inaugural event for the club makes the energy for the next rest of the year. I think in that way, this event today will be giving so much energy and enthusiasm for the Retractors who are joining new and who are newly getting inducted into the new board. So congratulations for all of you. So with that, I would like to share my few experience with the Rotaract clubs where I was at Chennai. So there were so many clubs, so many different organizations in every college, but this Rotaract is always special. இதோட ரீசன் என்னன்னா, only in this kind of club, particularly the Rotaract club, the amount of exposure you get at a very small age and the amount of responsibility you get at a very small age is immense. Where in the club you will not have so much responsibility bestowed on you at a very younger time. இப்போ மற்ற கிளப்ல எல்லாம் பார்த்தோன்னா only the final years, the eldest of the group will be leading the batch, leading the group. But Rotaract la mattumna, it is always the incoming people will take the responsibility in hand and do the work. In fact, during my preparation into civil service also, the Rotaract experience helped me very much. In that case, I'm always indebted to the Rotaract family. So happy to see you all here, meet you all here. So currently I'm in Chennai, posted as wildlife warden Chennai, although I was in Anamalai Tiger Reserve for quite some time till August there. So now I'm promoted and I'm posted in Chennai with the Gindi National Park and other protected areas in and around Chennai under my control. So in the aspect la pathona, even the interest in many services also Rotaract club la irundhu vanda inspiration na. So Angada, you get to meet lot of people, lot of interactions with people from varied background. So as a first year, second year, we conducted very, very big events from Rotaract. And the big events, the amount of interaction which we had with big shots. In fact, I remember in college days, we had an event called Shangar's concert from Gindi Engineering College Rotaract Club. So adla we used to invite all big celebrities. In fact, we got opportunity to meet almost all the film stars of that time. And like 7-8 years munadi, we had got to meet Kamal Hassan sir and Rahman sir. எல்லாத்தையுமே the Rotaract opportunity தான் எங்களை கொண்டு போய் சேர்த்துது அவங்க எல்லாத்துக்கிட்டையும் பேசுறதுக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் the view, the mind open up ஆகிற மாதிரி இருந்தது. So that is one big thing. I'm totally indebted to Rotaract Club, and again so happy to come back into Rotaract family. So congrats guys, congrats on the new board. So keep doing well. And event name paakumbodhu I was so happy, the tradition of Rotaract Club to name every event Athena. So that is also so good. Proud of you guys. So we have not met each other, but still Rotaract is a family. So first family, adukapram da service. So family irkumbodhu service taana nadakum. So that is how the Rotaract message goes out. So everyone, all of you, be as a family, share your things with each other, share your joy, that will reduce most of the problems with many others. So adanala, so keep sharing good things, get motivated. All the best for your future. So have a great year for the club. So congrats once again. Thank you all of you. Yeah, I think
Thank you so much.
ஏதாவது நீங்க கேக்குற மாதிரி இருந்தா we can have this little interactive session. ஏதாவது ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா கேட்கணும்ன்ற மாதிரி இருந்தா also it will be so good.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, so first of all, thank you so much for accepting our invitation, sir. So நீங்க இப்ப சொல்லினா ஆக்சுவலா நீங்களும் ரொட்ராக்டரா இருந்திருக்கீங்கன்னு ஐ திங்க் ஸோ யூ குட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஆஸ் அ ரொட்ராக்டர் தான் நம்ம ரொட்ராக்ட் கிளப்ஸ்ல பண்ற ஈவெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஆஸ் ஒரு சப்போர்ட்டா நீங்க எந்த இதுக்கு நீங்க வந்திருக்கீங்கன்னு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு சார். ஆக்சுவலி நீங்க எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க, அந்த மாதிரி ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்றீங்களாங்க சார்?
இட் இஸ் லைக் முன்ன சொன்ன மாதிரி இட் இஸ் லைக் ஹோம் கமிங், நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வந்த ஒரு ஃபீல் தான். ஸோ when I was at my college, I used to approach our seniors. So there are mostly நம்ம seniors, Rotaract seniors எல்லாமே they will be shining in many field. So every other time எப்பப்பெல்லாம் opportunity கிடைக்குதோ we'll try to bring seniors and get interacting with the current batch. So அந்த மாதிரி தான் ஈவன் ஐ ஃபீல் இட் இஸ் லைக். ஸோ ஆல்தோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ரோட்ராக்ட் கிளப்பாக இருந்தாலுமே இந்த ரோட்ராக்ட் ஃபேமிலி தேர் சம் பைண்டிங் இது. ஸோ ஐம் ஸோ ஹாப்பி ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நெகிழ்ச்சியா இருக்கு ஒரு ரோட்ராக்டரா வெளியே போயிட்டு ரோட்ராக்டரோட ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து பேசுறது. இன்ஃபேக்ட் மெனி இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன், மெனி பீப்புள் டுக் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ரோட்ராக்ட் கிளப் அண்ட் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் விச் வி ஹேட் ஈச் அதர். மற்ற கிளப்னா இட் வில் பி ஃபார்ம்டு ஒரு ஏதோ ஒரு மோட்டிவோ இல்லை கம்பல்ஷன் அந்த மாதிரி ரீசனால சேர்ந்திருப்பாங்க. இந்த ரோட்ராக்ட் கிளப் மட்டும்தான் எந்த கம்பல்ஷனும் இல்லாமல் லைக் மைண்டட் பீப்புள் உள்ள வந்து தே வில் பி டூயிங் சம்திங் ஃபார் அ காமன் காஸ். அது அவங்க சேர்ந்ததுனால தேர் வில் பி சம் பெனிஃபிட் ஃபார் சம் ஒன் சம்வேர். ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் தட் ஆல்சோ ஹேப்பன்ஸ் வித் திஸ் ரோட்ராக்ட் கிளப். அண்ட் இயர் ஃபுல்லாக நீங்கள் நடத்துல மெனி ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ், கம்யூனிட்டி சர்வீஸ், ஸோ எந்த சர்வீஸ் ப்ராஜெக்டாக இருந்தாலும் I hope that reaches the deserving one. So it is so happy moment to see you all guys.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, so
Thank you so much, sir, that we have pleasure that you are here with us during the special occasion. Is there any questions from participant side?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Sir, apart from Rotaract Club questions, I would like to ask you about your wildlife journey. So please tell us about it.
Yeah, wildlife journey. See, before coming to civil services, உள்ள வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி I'm not so much exposed into wildlife. Forest எல்லாம் பெரிய exposure கிடையாது, to be totally frank. But காலேஜ்க்கு சேர்ந்து ரோட்ராக்ட் கிளப்ஸ் எல்லாத்துலயும் இருக்கும்போது யூ கெட் டு இன்ட்ராக்ட் வித் லாட் மெனி பீப்புள். ஸோ அப்போ வி காட் இன்ட்ராக்ட் வித் மெனி ஃபாரஸ்ட் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ அப்போ தான் திஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இன் டு ஃபாரஸ்ட் சர்வீஸ் ஸ்டார்டட். அண்ட் fortunately all things went well, and it was a good civil service examination. So I was luckily because of allotted to Tamil Nadu. So first posting was at Vellore, it was a rating, and second was at Coimbatore, Pollachi Anamalai Tiger Reserve. I was there for 7-8 months. So we are not aware how forest and fringe of forest work. Totally a different landscape. Since you all are based in Coimbatore, I would suggest you if you could do some project for those tribal peoples located at deep interiors of forest. The total lifestyle where avangaloda needs where necessities where it's very difficult sitting in town to appreciate what kind of things they go through day in and day out in forest landscape. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி அங்கே ஸ்டாஃப் அவங்க படுற கஷ்டம், இட் இஸ் நம்ம ஒரு நாள் இன்டர்நெட் இல்லாமல் ஒரு டிஸ்கனெக்டட் சொசைட்டியில் இருக்கும்போது த அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபியர், சோஷியல்லேருந்து விலகி இருக்கிற ஃபியர் ஆஃப் மிஸ்ஸிங் அவுட் அவங்களுக்கு இட் இஸ் டே இன் அண்ட் டே அவுட். வெரி ரேர்லி தே கெட் மொபைல் சிக்னலே நிறைய கிடைக்காது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது it is very difficult unless you have a passion to serve for the forest or for the wildlife. So in that case, Pollachi was Anamalai Tiger Reserve was a very big eye opener. In fact, அங்க ஒரு 6 tribal populations plus lot of forest people working inside forest. So at the same time, the lot of tourist activities also there. Valparai, Tirumurti Dam, everything comes under. It was under my thing. So on the time the interaction we have with general public. So avanga number what do they forest and what forest is actually is, and the wide difference, how to reach the message of wildlife conservation, forest conservation to general public, that was also a big challenge. So that was a very quite an experience. அது தவிர பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு சில நல்ல encounters nalla because during training we got all the big national parks of the country. Story to tell story. Beautiful trekkings, beautiful places we. So end of the day, there is a lot of எப்படி பண்ணுன்றதுதான் that was the experience as of now in my
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. That was great, sir. Surely we'll do a project on it, sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for the warm welcome. So thank you so much, sir. So for moving on, Vishnu.
Now I would like to invite Protractor Suprita to deliver her special performance.
இதயம் இந்த இதயம் இன்னும் எத்தனை இன்பங்கள் தாங்கிடுமோ இதயம் இந்த இதயம் இன்னும் எத்தனை துன்பங்கள் தாங்கிடுமோ ஆசை தூண்டிலில் மாட்டிக்கொண்டு இது தத்தளித்து துடிக்கிறதே காயம் யாவையும் தேற்றிக்கொண்டு இது மறுபடியும் நினைக்கிறதே உள்ளுக்குள்ளே துடிக்கும் சிறு இதயம் எத்தனையோ கடலை விழுக்கும் இதயம் இந்த இதயம் இன்னும் எத்தனை இன்பங்கள் தாங்கிடுமோ இதயம் இந்த இதயம் இன்னும் எத்தனை துன்பங்கள் தாங்கிடுமோ வேண்டும் வேண்டும் என்று கேட்கலே வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம் என்று சொல்லுமே வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம் என்று விலகி நின்றால் வேண்டும் வேண்டும் என்று சொல்லுமே இது தவித்திடும் நெருப்பா எல்லை கொழுந்திடும் நீரா இது பனியேறி மலையா இதை அறிந்தோர் யாரும் இல்லை உள்ளத்திலே அறையுண்ட வாசல் இல்லை உள்ளே வந்திடும் நினைவோ திருப்பதில்லை இதயம் இந்த இதயம் இன்னும் எத்தனை இன்பங்கள் தாங்கிடுமோ இதயம் இந்த இதயம் இன்னும் எத்தனை துன்பங்கள் தாங்கிடுமோ ஆசை தூண்டிலில் மாட்டிக்கொண்டு இது தத்தளித்து துடிக்கிறதே காயம் யாவையும் தேற்றிக்கொண்டு இது மறுபடியும் நினைக்கிறதே உள்ளுக்குள்ளே துடிக்கும் சிறு இதயம் எத்தனையோ கடலை விழுங்கும். Thank you everyone for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Suprita. It was an amazing performance. Next, I would like to invite Protractor Past President Kirti Vivekanna, District Rotract Representative of RA District 3201, to address the gathering.
So, am I audible, good and clear?
Yes, Anna.
Okay, great. So, first of all, greetings to all the dignitaries here, be it IFS officer, Mr. Prasant sir, Rotarian Muthuswamy sir, President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore East, and Dr. Rajesh Sri ma'am. So, and the leaders of this particular club and leaders from the Rotaract District Cabinet. So, and most importantly, the participants and team CIT what you call yourself a gang 44. Very good evening. So more than glad to be here. For the very reason, CIT is always a very special place to be interactive with. Because down the line, I think way back in 2014, 15, 12, 13 is what my association with CIT started. And 14, 15, from then, association, just a knowing or acquaintance changed into more of a close bonding. And it's still going strong. So whenever I meet any CIT road track person, the first thing I ask him is, when is it going to be Athena and when is it going to be Euphoria? So these two terms will always be out of my mouth because that's how much this event means to me. Because I think this is the fourth time I'm going to be, I am being part of Athena, of a valedictory ceremony or inauguration ceremony. Just to visit, I have been there. For the very reason, not everybody gets an opportunity. And most importantly, when you get an opportunity or when you create an opportunity for this set of young budding minds, I think that itself is more like doing the needful for the society. You are giving them a platform where they can exhibit their talent, and from there, it's just going to be a conference booster. So I always believe when you are a participant, for all the participants here, it's not about winning; it's about participating. When you have the all the intention to be here or all the efforts to participate, that makes enough of sense of why you're participating in any event. So winning comes second, participation always comes first. So keep participating in a lot of events, and this club is growing in stature every other year. 44 years of consistent road traction. So whenever anybody asks me about CAT, first thing I tell them is consistency. So when you look out for consistency, this club is always on the top of the charts. And the very reason this event is becoming Athena is becoming a grand success is every other year the count is increasing way beyond expectation. Yes, it could be an online platform, but to pull off things even on an online platform is not just a joke. You need to put your enough of efforts here, and 4,000 participants showing interest, out of which 2,800 entries coming in. It's a huge number. Believe me. So a round of appreciation to Team CIT or Team Athena for pulling this off, because I do understand 2,800 entries coming in, and then you have to consolidate all those entries, do the needful consideration and judgmental of what is the best performance. It's quite a task. It has been going for about 1 week now, and you need enough planning, enough structuring of things to make this happen. And special appreciation to even chair Road Tractor Balasurya, even secretary Road Tractor Vishnu, and President Secretary Road Tractor Vijay and Kaushik, and an entire team, or I will call it a gang 44. Hearty congratulations, appreciation for pulling off a very successful Athena. The very reason is when I want to say this to Prasant sir. For the very reason is when he came here, the first thing that expressed from his end was not being an IFS officer, it was being a road tractor. So whenever a road tractor he goes and visits a particular crowd, he shares the road track experience and he shares what this organization has given. So it was just like me listening to some senior road tractor of what they have been doing in the organization. So that was the first push that came out of him. And then was when the question regarding the forest service came in, he started chipping a few points on that. So that is how road track is very close to your heart affair. So that being said, let Athena and let the Road Track Club of CIT keep growing this year, the years to come, or any number of years to come. I want to see this consistency grow, grow, and grow. So so as I said, the most satisfying, or I will say most pleasing part is இன்விடேஷன்ல கீழே வந்து hashtag impact underscore Athena அப்படின்னு போட்டிருந்தீங்க. I was looking at it, I was quite glad because I believe Athena has made the most needful impact and continue to make an impact wherever you go, whatever you do, as a road tractor or as a non-road tractor. Make sure you are remembered only for good. Wishing you all good luck for the next few months of the road, this road track year and all the years to come. You can always count me in as a well-wisher. Good evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anna. Next, I would like to invite Protractor Past President Mohammed Afsar Anna, Group Protract Representative, RI District 3201, to address the gathering.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hope I'm audible. So greetings to all the dignitaries here. Prashant Taifas sir, DRR Kirti Vivek, Elect Kishore Baban, all my council colleagues, and special mention to the President Secretary of CIT, and to all the lovely cuties here who have been turning video on. Rishwin, Ritesh. Hi Rishwin, hi Ritesh, and one more person. So it's very glad to be here in this meeting first. ஸோ உள்ள வந்தோடனே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா உங்க பேர் எல்லாமே படிச்சு பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். ஸோ இல்லை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பி, செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட், சிக்ஸ்த் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சீன் த யங் அச்சீவர்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது டைம் ஆஃப் ஸ்டடிங் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட், செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் நீங்களாம் வந்து ஒரு காம்படிஷன்ல வந்து ஒரு 4000 பேர் கூட போட்டி போட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. நான் வந்து யோசிச்சு பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன், நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் செகண்ட் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன், வருவோம் படிப்போம் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு தூங்குவோம். பட் நீங்க வந்து ஒரு 4000 பீப்புள் கூட வந்து ஒரு காம்படிஷன் உட்காந்துருக்கீங்க. தட் இஸ் பிக்கஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். கண்டிப்பா வந்து நீங்க வந்து வே மோர் தென் யூ அச்சீவ்ட். நீங்க வந்து வாழ்க்கையில வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதே ஒரு பெரிய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா. ஸோ அண்ட் கமிங் டு அத்தேனா, இட்ஸ் மேஜிக்கல் ஈவெண்ட். ஸோ ஐ எம் பார்ட் ஆஃப் சிஐடி. நான் ஒரு சிஐடி அலுமினி. சிஐடியில் நான் படிச்சு வந்திருக்கேன். ஓகே, யஷ்வந்த் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பி போட்டிருக்காரு, சூப்பர். ஸோ நான் சிஐடி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அண்ட் 2014 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I can witness Athena live. The காலேஜ்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அத்தேனா வந்து இஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அ ஃபெஸ்டிவல். ஒரு 2000 பேர் வந்து ஒரு ஆடிட்டோரியம் உட்காந்து ஒரு சூப்பரா காம்படிஷன் போயிட்டு இருக்கும், கல்ச்சரல்ஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கும். ஸோ ஐ விட்னஸ்ட் அத்தேனா லைவ் ஃபார் சோ மெனி இயர்ஸ். ஸோ ஒரு 6 to 7 years நான் அத்தேனா பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். அண்ட் வென் ஐ கேம் டு நோ அத்தேனா வந்து நாங்க ஆஃப்லைன்ல இருந்து ஆன்லைன் எடுத்துட்டு போறோம், சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் வீக்கா இருக்கனாலன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. விஷாக் 60A, ஓகே விஷாக் 60A, ஹை. ஸோ அத்தேனா வந்து இது ஆன்லைன் எடுத்துட்டு போனாங்கன்னா எப்படி நடக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூஷன் எனக்கே இருந்துச்சு, உங்க டீமுக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ ஒரு 1500 பாக்குறோம், இப்போ ஒரு 4000 பேர் வந்து ஒரு ஆன்லைன் ஈவெண்ட்ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஸோ தட்ஸ் பிக்கஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் எனி கிளப் கேன் டேக், ஐ திங்க். ஸோ இவ்வளோ பேர் வந்து அத்தேனால ஒரு காம்படிஷன்னால யூனிட் ஆகுறாங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம். அண்ட் மை ஸ்பெஷல் விஷஸ் டு த ஈவென்ட் சேர், த ஈவென்ட் செக்ரட்டரி and the team behind Athena. So keep doing Athena. நான் அத்தேனா பத்தி சொல்லிட்டு போனோம்னா like I can talk for hours. ஸோ ஒரு பெரிய Athena is always a big surprise for all of us. ஸோ அவர் அத்தேனா வரும்போது இட்ஸ் definitely kind of a celebration for Rotrac. So keep making Athena great. And to all the cuties here, as I said, நீங்க வந்து ஏற்கனவே வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஸ்டெப் லைஃப்ல எடுத்துட்டீங்க. யூ ஆர் இன்டு அ காம்படிஷன். ஸோ ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு உங்களால பார்க்கும்போது இருக்கு. அண்ட் ஐம் வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் த ரிசல்ட்ஸ். நீங்க ரிசல்ட்ஸ்க்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, யார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யார் செகண்ட் அண்ட் அப்படிலாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பீங்க. ஸோ பாசிட்டிவா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இஃப் யூ ஆர் வின்னிங், கோ ஃபார்வர்ட். நீங்க வந்து மறுபடியும் வந்து அதுல நிறைய அச்சீவ் பண்றதுக்கு இருக்கு. ஈவன் இஃப் யூ ஆர் நாட் வின்னிங், இட் இஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அ லேர்னிங். கண்டிப்பா அதுல இருந்து ஒரு விஷயத்தை கத்துக்கிட்டு நீங்க முன்னாடி எடுத்துட்டு போகணும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்டோரி வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன மோட்டிவேஷனல் ஸ்டோரி என்னன்னா, இப்போ இன்கேஸ் நிறைய பேர் இங்க காம்படிஷன்ல ஜெயிக்காம இருக்கலாம், சம்டைம்ஸ் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ அவங்க வந்து கண்டிப்பா வந்து ஃபார்வர்ட் எடுத்துட்டு போனதுக்காக ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்டோரி சொல்றேன். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாரு. அவர் வந்து அவரோட நீங்க எப்படி ஒரு காம்படிஷனுக்கு உள்ள வந்திருக்கீங்களோ அவருக்கு ஒரே ஒரு ட்ரீம் தான், நான் படிக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவரு ரொம்ப ஆசைப்பட்டாரு. அவர்னால வந்து ஒரு சில பல காரணங்கள்னால அவரால் படிக்க முடியல. அதாவது அவரால் படிக்க முடியாம போயிடுச்சு. பட் அவர் வந்து இல்ல நான் படிச்சதான் ஆவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ட்ரை பண்ற கொஞ்சம் படிக்கிறாரு. அப்புறம் வந்து இந்தியாலேயே அவர் படிக்கவே உள்ளையாமா. என்ன பண்றாரு, நான் இந்தியாவில தான் நான் படிக்க விட மாட்டேங்கிறேன், நான் ஃபாரின் போய் படிக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஃபாரின்ல போயிட்டு படிச்சுட்டு வராரு. அவர் நிறைய கஷ்டத்துல வந்து நான் படிக்கணும்னு ஒரு எய்மோடு இருந்தாரு. நிறைய கஷ்டத்துல போய் படிச்சுட்டு வந்தாரு. படிச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டு அவரோட கம்யூனிட்டிக்காக நல்லது பண்ணாரு. யார் அவங்களை படிக்க விடலையோ அவங்களுக்கும் சேர்ந்து நல்லது பண்ணாரு. அது நல்லது பண்றதுக்காக தான் ஒரே ஒரு புக் எழுதினாரு. அவர் இவ்வளவு படிச்சுட்டு ஒரே ஒரு புக்கு தான் எழுதினாரு. அந்த புக்கு தான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு சட்டம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, இந்தியன் கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் ஆஃப் இந்தியான்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு புக் இருக்கு. அதாவது நம்ம ரிப்பப்ளிக் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்றோம் பாத்தீங்களா, Jan 26 ரிப்பப்ளிக் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்றோம். அதனாலதான் அந்த கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் ஆஃப் இந்தியா புக்கை எழுதினவர் தான் கஷ்டப்பட்டு போய் படிச்சுட்டு வந்தார். அவர் பேரு டாக்டர் BR அம்பேத்கர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அம்பேத்கர் அவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டு எவ்வளோ ஸ்ட்ரகிள்ஸ் பட்டு போய் படிச்சுட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம இந்தியாவே ரன் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குன்னா கண்டிப்பா அந்த கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் அப்படிங்கிற புக்குக்கு தான் அது மெயினான ஒரு ரீசன். ஸோ அப்படி வந்து அவரு வந்து அவரோட லட்சியத்தை வந்து என்னைக்கு கை விட்டு கொடுக்கல. அதே மாதிரி நீங்களும் எந்த லட்சியத்தையும் விட்டு கொடுத்துடாதீர்கள். நிறைய படிங்க, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய காம்படிஷன்ஸ் வாங்க. அடுத்த முறையும் நான் இன்கேஸ் அத்தேனா வரும்போது உங்க எல்லாத்தையும் நான் பார்க்க ஆசைப்படுறேன். ஸோ உங்க லட்சியத்தை என்னைக்குமே கை விட்டுறாதீங்க. நிறைய படிங்க, நிறைய புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் படிங்க. கண்டிப்பா ஸோ இதோட ஒரு பாசிட்டிவான தாட்டை நான் முடிச்சுக்கிறேன். அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ டீம் சிஐடி ஃபார் இன்வைட்டிங் மீ. It was very great pleasure for me to join you this evening. And to all the cuties, keep enjoying Athena. Keep coming back to Athena. And கண்டிப்பா வந்து next time meet பண்ணுவோம். இதே மாதிரி நிறைய காம்படிஷன் போங்க, நிறைய ஜெயிங்க. So all the best to everyone out here. Thank you CIT. Over to the MC.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hannah, for your wonderful words.
Thank you so much.
Next, I would like to invite Protractor immediate past president Induja Akka.
Good evening to all the Rotractors and the chief guest, all the enthusiastic participants who have gathered
Group
here
Protract
for.
Secretary, RA District.
Okay, so good evening to all the enthusiastic participants, all the esteemed chief guests, and my fellow Rotractors and cabinet colleagues who have gathered over here. I'm Rotractor immediate past president Induja, the group Protract secretary of Group 3. So first of all, Rotract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, being one of my sister clubs, we have been associated together for so long years since I started my Rotract journey, and this is definitely one of the clubs who stays with the topmost momentum each and every year that they come with their own special gang. So Athena is really very special event where we all the Rotractors in the district look up to for some it's like a function where we celebrate each other for their talents and opportunities that we create for themselves. Rotract is basically about creating opportunities, and CIT is definitely doing a great job by doing this event in such a grand way. And even when the pandemic had stuck as so bad, we didn't refrain ourselves from giving us a reason by saying that we wouldn't be able to serve for their people. So we did this by taking it online, and this is not really an easy task to do because things are really very easy to pull offline, but online requires a lot of coordination, commitment, and teamwork to pull this together. And CIT has really done a great job in pulling so much massive participants, and my hearty congratulations and wishes to all the participants who have participated. And then I wish you all the very best for your future, and kudos to even chairman and secretary and the whole team, each and every one of you who had taken even a smallest effort in contributing to this biggest event. And that's it from my end. Have a really great event. Let's wish this memories of Athena stay together for us in years and years to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Akka.
Now, I would like to invite Dr. A. Rajeshwari ma'am, Principal in charge of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, to address the gathering. Now, I would like to invite Dr. A. Rajeshwari ma'am, Principal in charge of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, to address the gathering.
A very warm good evening to all those who have joined this valedictory ceremony of Athena 2K21. So it's a great pleasure to be part of this valedictory ceremony. So Protract Club of CIT is always very active in conducting various events, which has always stimulated the participants to improve their talents in various extracurricular activities, even inside CIT and outside CIT. So first, I would like to express my hearty congratulations to all the office bearers and the staff advisor of Rotaract Club of CIT for being very active even in this pandemic situation, conducting online events. A hearty congratulations to all the office bearers and the staff advisor. My special congratulations to all the participants who were very much interested in taking part, active participation in all the events conducted by the Rotaract Club. My hearty congratulations to each one of them. So as many of the previous speakers said, there are two things that I would like to place in this forum. The book reading, as rightly said by the previous speaker, the younger generation have to be very conscious and cultivate the practice of book reading, which is mandatory in this era of stress, and probably the educational system has been made completely different from those of the previous years. So I would like to place a request to all the youngsters of making mandatory at least some 5 or 6 pages to read from a book of your choice, which will definitely take you to a higher level than whatever you are now. So this is my humble request to all the youngsters. The second is, again, as I always tell in many of this recent meeting, is the physical exercise and the exercise for your mental, probably the stress management. So make it a practice to be part of any of the physical activities, do some meditation, and be involved in taking care of your health, which is again mandatory for the next generation. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate each one of you who have participated, and also all the office bearers for having this, having done a great job throughout this spell. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity given. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hope all are excited for this moment. Now, I would like to invite our team Athena to announce the winners.
Now the floor is open for felicitation.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, Anu, your screen is visible. Next slide. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. So I feel very happy to announce the winners of Athena 2K21. Next slide. Here are the winners of category 1, Thirukural Oppuvittal. The first prize goes to Akash V from Hindustan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. The second place goes to Dalmia Vidya Jashvik Albrin from Dalvia Vidya Mandir. And third place goes to Krithvik K from Chavra Vidya Bhavan. Congratulations, winners. Next. Dancing Stars. The first place goes to Arya Shri from Dora Montessori School, and second place goes to Sean Sirjit from Vikasa School, and third place goes to Sutiksha Shri from Vasavi Vidyalaya. Congratulations, winners. Next. Hummingbirds. The first place goes to Varsha Karthi from CS Academy, Preeti Pravin from Padma Sheshastri Bala Bhavan Senior Secondary School, and third place goes to Kanishka Suresh Kumar from San Academy. Congratulations, winners. Cuties in Costume. The first place goes to Advait Ram from Padma Sheshatri Bala Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Second place goes to Ritun B.A. from Shanti School. And third place goes to Abhyut Bala from Padma Sheshatri Bala Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Congratulations, guys. Next. Let me tell a Kutti story. The first place goes to Shweta R. from Dalmia Vidya Mandir. And second place goes to Sashmita D. from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. And third place goes to Mahina Firanas M. from Rahmat Girls Matriculation High Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Creative Kids. The first place goes to Harshita A. from SBIOA Public School. Yalini, second place goes to Yalini P.S. from Subbaya Central School. And third place goes to Jivika S. from BVB School. Congratulations, winners. Color Bites. The first place goes to Dinesh B. from Sri Dharmachand Jain School. And second place goes to Gautam Bala from National Model Matriculation High Secondary School. And third place goes to Sudarshan R. from Vasavi Vidyalaya Matriculation School. Congratulations, winners. Let's talk. The first place goes to Swatika K. from JPR Matriculation High Secondary School. And second place goes to Varsha Karthi from CS Academy. And third place goes to Melina from Bharati Vidya Bhavan. Congratulations, winners. Brainscape. The first place goes to Nidun B. from Little Kingdom Senior Secondary School, Tirupur. And second place goes to Yalini P.S. from Subbaya Central School. And third place goes to Aravind K.R.T. from Venkatlakshmi Matriculation High Secondary School. Congratulations, winners.
Can I press?
Bala, you're not audible.
Screen, Anu.
Yes, Bala, now you're audible.
Anu, can I present the screen, Anu?
Yes, sure.
Okay. No, is my screen visible?
Yes, Bala, your screen is visible.
Okay, coming into the winners of category 2. First, I would like to say each and every participant is a winner. This is just a learning platform. Let's learn a lot from this event and let's grow through by the efforts we take from this. First place and second place goes to Shivasha SS from Ramaswamy School, and third place goes to Harini NS from SBOA Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Coming second place goes to Srimayi VP from Avila Convent Matriculation Higher Secondary School and School. Congratulations, winners. Anu, is my voice audible, Anu?
Yes, Bala, you're audible, but it's breaking.
1 second, Anu. Students, kindly wait for a few seconds.
Sorry for the inconvenience. There is a network issue. So now I present. Darshini, can you continue?
Yes, I'll continue. Can you present the category 2 winners, Anu?
Yes, sure. Is my screen visible, Darshini?
Yes, Anu, your screen is visible.
Okay.
Category 2, Anu.
Okay, Darshini.
Here are the winners of category 2. First event. No, next. Let's dance. The first place goes to Janika Shri S from Vasu Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And second place goes to Shushi Varsha SS from G Ramasamy Naidu Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And third place goes to Harini NS from SBOA Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Isai Malayil Nanaya Tayara. The first place goes to Shreya Purani from Padma Sheshatri Bala Bhavan Senior Secondary School. And second place goes to Srimai VP from Avila Convent Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And third place goes to Kavya SS from National Model Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Talk the talk. The first place goes to Shrutika K from Lady Sivasamy Iyer Girls Higher Secondary School. And second place goes to Sriniha PV from BVB Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And third place goes to Jafina M from Ahmad Girls Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Harmonica. The first place goes to Shushi Varsha from G Ramasamy Naidu Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And second place goes to Shai Krishna VM from Hindustan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And third place goes to Esaki Sanmugam from PUMS Chinnadipalayam School. Congratulations, winners. Arts Gallery. The first place goes to Ritanya M from Avila Convent Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And second place goes to Deeptita S from BKM School. And third place goes to Samita M from Avila Convent Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Art Attack. The first place goes to Sujiksha Lakshmi V from Vikasa International School. And second place goes to Rogini T from Venkatlashi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And third place goes to Mitran V. Congratulations, winners. Trash to Treasure. The first place goes to Kirtika from Municipal Middle School. And second place goes to Kanishka KV from Government School E Road. And third place goes to Jennifer L from Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Congratulations, winners. Spellathon. The first place goes to Mitra B from G Ramasamy Naidu Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And second place goes to Advait Anand from PSB School. And third place goes to Adya L from St. Hilda Girls School and Junior College, Ooty. Congratulations, winners. Fill-ins. The first place goes to Bhavya Murali Harshini Rajagopal from Padma Sheshatri Balabhavan Senior Secondary School. Second place goes to Aishwarya Lakshmi and Akshay Lakshmi from PSBB. And third place goes to Deshna S and Mukta Dash from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Velammal. Congratulations, winners. Here are the winners of category 3. Manada Mailada. The first place goes to Abhinav S from Chavra Vidya Bhavan, and second place goes to Akshaya T from Venkatlashi Matriculation High Secondary School, and third place goes to Nisha, Kirtika and Kanishka from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Velammal. Congratulations, winners. Voice it out. The first place goes to Dinesh M, the Sengundar High Secondary School, Erode, and second place goes to Srija Kotra from San Academy, and third place goes to Irfan R from BVB School. Congratulations, winners. Play the tunes. The first place goes to Kevin Verma CS from Advait Thought Academy, and second place goes to Sam Preetham D from Hindustan Matriculation High Secondary School, Coimbatore, and third place goes to Hasna Fatima S from Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Congratulations, winners.
Next, Sarigamapa. First place goes to Angelo Matthew, Avila Convent. Second place goes to Sanya P, PSGR Krishnamal Higher Secondary School. And third place goes to Rachel Divya M, St. Joseph's Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Varnajalam. The first place goes to Dhanush Kumar U, RK Shri Rangamal Kalvi Nilayam, and second place goes to Bharati R, BBB School, and the third place goes to Anantika A, Avila Convent. Congratulations, winners. Craftworks. First place goes to Yamina A, Little Flower Convent Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Second place goes to Sandhya SR, PSGR Krishnamal Higher Secondary School. And the third place goes to Navina M, Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Congratulations, winners. Paint it right. First place goes to Sai Praveena M, Avila Convent Metric Higher Secondary School. Second place goes to Perumal S, Government School. And the third place goes to Lakshana R, Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Congratulations, winners. Marketize. First place goes to Pavitra N, PSGR Krishnamal Higher Secondary School for Girls. Second place goes to Gurudarshan MR, Bharati Vidya Bhavan School. And the third place goes to Jagan S, the Sengundar Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Rakuri. The first place goes to Giridarshan SV, Sengundar Higher Secondary School. The second place goes to Priyanka R, Bharati Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And the third place goes to Dharni KS, National Model Metric Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Ignite. The first place goes to Yamina A, Little Flower Convent Matriculation Higher Secondary School. The second place goes to Shiva Pradeep P, PKD Metric Higher Secondary School. And the third place goes to Kavin S, Venkatalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. Oru Varthai Oru Lacham. First place goes to Aruvanidhi KS, Kavya GS, BVB School. And the second place goes to Suman M, Kavin S, Venkatalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And the third place goes to Piramodaya RS and Tejashri V, Venkatalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners. treasure hunt. The first place goes to Danyata V, Raksha S, PSGR Krishnammal Higher Secondary Schools for Girls. And the second place goes to Smriti S, Janani N, Sai Rakshini H of Venkatalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. And the third place goes to Sandra S. Nair, Shruti Abarna MG of Chavara Vidya Bhavan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Congratulations, winners.
Hearty congratulations for all the winners of the events and also the participants who have participated throughout the event. So now let's watch the glimpse of Athena 2K21. Is the video visible?
No, ma'am.
Now is it visible?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is visible.
So thank you so much, everyone. We are so happy and satisfied with this whole journey of Athena 2K21. So thank you so much for being the part of Athena.
Now, I would like to call upon the event chairman, Rotaract Balasurya, to hand over the proceedings to Rotaract Vijayaram Praveen, President of Rotaract Club of Coimbatore Institute of Technology.
Am I audible, Vishnu?
Am I audible now?
Yes, Vishnu. Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you, Vishnu. So hereby, I hand over the event proceedings to the President, Rotaract Vijayaram Praveen.
So now the meet is open for felicitation. I would like to invite Dr. Prabhakaran sir, Staff Advisor of Rotary Club of CIT, to address the gathering.
Yeah, good evening to one and all. So first, I like to thank our chief guest of today's function, Mr. Prasant, IFS. Wildlife Warden, Chennai, for his good words about our Athena 21. I will also like to thank our Principal Madam, Dr. A. Rajeshwari Madam, for attending this function and honoring the function. Thank you, Madam. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to our past presidents and special guest and all those who have given very good words about Athena 21. And of course, they shared their previous experience about Athena. And of course, my special thanks to our Athena team, even chairperson, Balasurya, even secretary, Vishnu Sudasan, treasurer, and of course, the team of Athena 2021. I also like to thank all the principals and teachers of various schools, allowing their students and kids to participate in this fabulous event Athena 21. Because without participants, that two school children, kids, this program definitely will not be fruitful at the end. I would once again thank all the principal and teachers of various schools in and around Coimbatore. Of course, this online program now, I think they have extended to not only in Coimbatore, they have extended to even up to Erode and many places also. So I'll thank all the principal madams and of course teachers, kids to participated in this program. Thank you one and all. Of course, as a staff advisor of this program, I very well know about that volume of work involved. So usually it is offline. For the past 2 years, it is online. 2020 and 2021 Athena is on the online. Usually this offline program, it is a 2-day program, Saturday, Sunday. So that is going to be of a different task for students of Rotary Club students, because they have to arrange bus, of course, halls, drawing halls, auditorium, and of course other, like mic and other things and all. But for past 2 years, it is entirely different. It's online. So they have to various platforms they have to use to conduct and organize. Of course, that we have seen the clip or video they have shown now. So very wonderfully organized, supposed to be of our students. So definitely in offline is different experience to our students. Online is at least other experience, we can say. That also we have, our students has experience. So no doubt our students will do and do a wonderful job, both online and offline, whatever it is. So that's Athena is always a milestone program for Rotary Club of CIT. This time also they proved it. Congratulations to all our student Athena team. And of course, prize winners of various schools, first, second, third prize of various events organized by Athena team. So I once again congratulate, and of course, winning is always supposed to be a one area, but the losses get a better experience, supposed to be, and the participation is very important. And losses doesn't mean that they have lost. It gives a lot of experience. So definitely the students of various schools.
Sorry for the inconvenience. I think sir has some network issue. Let's wait for another 2 minutes.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir. Can
Yeah.
continue.
Yeah, some net connection fault. Okay. Anyhow, it's, I congratulate once again all the participants and of course prize winners. Thank you on and all for given opportunity. Thank you. Thank you, Athena team.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have a small token of love for you all. I'll present the screen. So is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes, and it is visible.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank Prashant P. sir, IFS, government official, for spending your valuable time with us, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to thank Rotarian Dr. P.R. Muthuswamy, sir, for all your support. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to thank Protractor Past President Kirti Vivekanna for your valuable presence and support. Next, I would like to thank Dr. A. Rajeshwari ma'am, Principal in charge of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, for your support. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank Protractor Past President Kishore Babu Anna for all your support. Thank you so much, Anna. Next, I would like to thank Protractor Past President Mohammed Afsar Anna for all your presence. Thank you so much, Anna. Next, I would like to thank Protractor Immediate Past President Induja Akka for your valuable support. Thank you so much, Akka. Next, I would like to thank Dr. S. Shanmugam for all your support. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to thank Dr. R. Sampath, sir, for your support. Next, I would like to thank Dr. D. Prabhakaran, sir, for your support. Next, I would like to thank Mrs. Gauri Priya, ma'am, for all your support and presence. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank Protractor Suprita for your special performance. Thank you. So we wholeheartedly thank all the clubs which has supported us throughout the event in judging the entries. And thank you so much everyone for your valuable presence and your support throughout the journey of Athena. Thank you so much everyone. The next, I would like to invite Protractor Kaushikan, Secretary of Protract Club of CIT, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Am I audible, Anu?
Yes, Kaushikan, you're audible.
Okay. Good evening, one and all present here. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like a wrapping a present and not giving it. I deem it's my great honor and privilege on delivering the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest Prasad sir Indian Forest Service officer, for accepting our invitation and spending his valuable time with us and enlightening us with the motivational words. Thank you, sir, for making this day a wondrous one by your presence. Next, I would like to thank our guest of honors, DRR Retractor Past President Kirti Vivek Anna and Dr. A. Rajeshwari Ma'am, Principal of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and Rotarian Muthuswamy sir for your valuable presence. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank our special invitees, DRR Elect Retractor Kishore Babu Anna, GRR Retractor Past President Mohammed Afzal Anna, and GRS Retractor Immediate Past President Injuda Akka for spending a precious time with us. Next, I would like to thank all the energetic kids who have added color to this entire event. Thank you, students. Next, I would like to thank all the members who have given the felicitation with their amazing words. Adding on it, I'd like to extend my special thanks to Dr. S. Sanmugam sir, Dean of Students Affairs in Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and Dr. Sambat sir, Dean of EC and ICA of Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and our staff advisor, Dr. D. Parthiban sir, and Mrs. Gauri Priya ma'am for your valuable presence. Next, I would like to thank all the dear Rotarians who have took part in this inauguration and made our day more special. Adding on it, I would like to thank the cabinet members for spending a precious time with us. I owe a special gratitude for the past Athena fam for their great support and guidance. My heartfelt thanks to our biggest motivators and inspirers, none other than amazing words. Am I audible?
Yes, Coach, you're audible.
Thank you, Anna. I'll start. My heartfelt thanks to our biggest motivators and inspirers, none other than our Gang 44 and Gang 45 for seniors, presidents and secretaries, and members of RAC CIT. Thank you, Annas and Akas. My special thanks to Retractor Jayasuriya Anna, Sergeant at Arms of Retract Club of CIT, Gang 45 member. Next, I would like to extend my gratitude to Gang 46 and Athena team for their marvelous work. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the fellow retractors and juniors and non-retractors who are present in this meeting. Once again, thank you all. Over to you.
Thank you, Kaushikhan. So now I call upon Retractor Vijay Ramu Praveen, President of Retract Club of CIT, to join the meeting.
Hereby, our valedictory ceremony is adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Participants can feel free to leave the meet.